How to calibrate your Toyota tachometer. I realized that my tach wasn't right, which is the reason I've always adjusted my idle at a higher RPM than the spec, because it was reading higher than it should have. So what I ended up doing, I wanted to test it on a bench to where I could adjust it. There's a little potentiometer right there that you can adjust to do it. So I used my oscilloscope. If you have a tachometer, you can do it a lot easier. I had to do some math. So I took the frequency of a one cylinder and multiplied it times 120, and then that gets me the actual RPM, and then set the tachometer based on that using the potentiometer. And what I did was over here, I tapped into the negative, positive, and then ignition pulse. And that way I could do it on the bench. Originally, when I realized it was in the wrong position, I put it on I was doing trial and error, putting it in and taking it out. And this allowed me to just set it exactly where I want. A tachometer would be a lot easier than doing math. But that is all.